Hello and welcome back. Today we're going to go through this very short video on how to make this very tasty looking drink. And all that we're going to need is some passion fruit, some hibiscus leaf syrup, and some water. So the first thing that we're going to do is to prepare our passion fruit, and we're going to do that by cutting it into half, scooping out the seeds and the pulp, and then passing that through a sieve just to get the juice from the passion fruit. Now for the hibiscus leaf syrup, I have a recipe up on how to make the syrup. Now for this recipe, I made another batch. I wanted the syrup to be quite light. I just let the sugar dissolve properly, let that simmer for a few minutes, and then turn that off. So you will see here that the syrup is a bit lighter. So now we've got our juice all ready. So then you're just going to mix the syrup with the passion fruit juice, top it up with some sparkling water or soda water or just regular water. This drink is quite sweet, so if you do not like very sweet drinks, you just need to add a bit more water. You can use ice cubes to dilute the drinks as well. If you are happy with the sweetness of this drink, then you can also just use frozen fruit to chill your drink. What you can also do is turn this drink into a cocktail by adding some rum or any liquor of your choice. And that is our drink already. It's absolutely refreshing. It's so tasty. I like the fizz, I like the sweetness, and it's just a really, really nice combination. The passion fruit and the hibiscus, they really complement each other very well. Neither is totally overpowering, and so you've got a really nice drink that you can have anytime. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please remember to subscribe if you like this video and any other videos, and I will see you next time. Happy eating!